What's up, online shoppers? This is a fantastic new water flosser that's available by the company Ontel. It's called the Miracle Smile Water Flosser, and they sent it to me to do a review. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. So this is a newer product for them. They haven't always had this, and it's really cool because there's actually 4 water jets to help keep your teeth clean. So when you open it up, this is what you get out of the box. Now they do also send you an instruction guide. Here is the unit right here, and you put the water into this container right there, and then you operate it from here. In addition to that, you also get the flosser head, which is right here, and you get the charging cable, because this, super cool, is rechargeable. So it is a USB-C charge cord, and as far as where it charges, right in here is the little jack. Just open up that silicone cover right here, and you would fit your charging cable in like this, and then you just put this into a block and plug it into the wall. Charging time for this is going to be about 2 hours, and when it's fully charged, there are some little indicator lights right here, and it's going to show you that it is ready to be used. Now when I turn it on, you can see the product does come fully charged out of the box, and our power button is right here, so that's how you turn it on. And that's how you turn it off. Now here is the water flosser here. And what's kind of cool about it is it has 4 jets. It has 2 here and 2 here. So when you're putting this in, you can literally get gums and top of teeth at the same time. It fits into the top really nice, easy, just like this, with a little push, and you've got it in and it is secured. The little button at the top here is to release it so that it comes out nice and easy. So that just puts it in, and then this is your release button at the top. Now what makes the Miracle Smile different from other brands is this H-shaped flossing unit. There are 2 tiny jets right in here, and then another 2 tiny jets right here, and that's where the water comes out. So what it does is it actually allows you to clean your top and your bottom teeth at the same time, and it does, depending on how you position it, allow you to even clean below the gum line. Now I think it's pretty cool because this actually has 360-degree technology, so you can clean top and the bottom, and the top here is also adjustable, meaning it can swivel and go this way and this way, 360 degrees, so you can really get the right angle for each of the teeth in your mouth. It's also going to be really great if you have braces, because braces are notoriously difficult to clean, and having this water pick is going to really allow you to get into all those crevices and cracks and get the dirt out. Now, as far as filling the unit is concerned, all you have to do is just twist it and pull it out. So you can see you've got like this little silicone hinge with a nozzle at the end for drawing the water, and then you have your water underneath here. You have 2 different options also for filling. You can either unscrew it and place the water in here, or you can even open up this little flap right here. You can see that it has a silicone gasket around the outside, so that's going to seal and make it leak free. And as well, you've got this here at the top for easy filling. Another thing that's kind of cool about this is there's actually a really nice grip here. It's texturized so that when you're holding it, you are not going to drop it, even if it's a little bit on the slippery side. They even say that you can use this in the shower because 1, it's cordless, and 2, it's designed to fit well in your hand and not be slippery when wet. So I've got it filled, so all I'm going to do is just put the lid in like this and tighten it, and now it should be good to go. As well, I want to point out there's texturizing not just on the base of the bottle, but also up here on the handle, so that means you can actually get a really good feed. So what you're going to do is get it in your mouth like this, and then slide it up and down inside your mouth and your teeth. You can go all the way around, and it might, when you go around the corner of your teeth, you can adjust it this way to make sure that you can go around the edges really nice. I'm going to demonstrate it being used, but there is no guarantee that it's not going to go spraying everywhere, so viewers beware. Again, the power button is right here, and then right here you can adjust the speed and the strength. So there's 2, and that is full strength. So push once for 1 speed, push 2 for speed number 2, and push a 3rd time for speed number 3. So then we're just going to insert it into my mouth and turn it on. The water does come out at a pretty big volume, so you're going to want to make sure you do this near a sink, and you definitely can't talk while you're doing it. The pressure is really, really nice. It feels gentle, and I like how it feels on my teeth, and I can feel the areas that it definitely got rid of all of the buildup, and I think this is pretty awesome. There you have it, folks. That is the Miracle Smile out of the box. You can see that when I filled it up, I put it to about here. It does go through a pretty big volume of water, but you're doing it over a sink, ergonomic, so you have ready access to anything right here anyways. Now, I like the comfort of having it in my hand. I could definitely see they recommended using it in the shower. I could see where that would work too. And I like how my mouth feels after I've used it. It's a really nice gentle pressure. You've got 3 pressure options. So if your gums are sensitive, you can definitely find a sensitivity that works for you. But I think this is pretty cool, and it's definitely going to get added into my hygiene routine. I can't believe I waited this long to actually have a water flosser. I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.